Welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. We've been so busy on the Thunder Chicken, Thunder Junk, or whatever you want to call it. I'd like to give a big shout out to Mopars, Mustangs, and minivans, and Corrine for making this possible for us to have a fuel cell. So if you ain't subscribed to them, head over to their channel and give them a big subscribe and comment on their video and tell them Auto Salvage Outlaws and Deborah's Loving Life sent you over there.
So here, try to do it without cutting my hand open.
She's gonna do it without cutting her hand open. So if she cuts her hand, we won't be getting no more nanner pudding for a while.
We just have to eat peach cobbler.
Yeah, peach cobbler. LP and JB Little Shop has some good peach cobbler. Man, what's up?
Yeah, they didn't send us none either.
I'm telling you. Man.
I guess I'll have to make my own.
Man.
I got the worst knife in the world.
If I thought I'd have gave you my razor blade.
No, you wouldn't.
Maybe that wasn't a good idea. It's almost like Christmas morning.
I need a few more lessons.
I think it's packed real well.
Yeah, if they broke this thing, somebody had thrown it off the cliff, I believe.
That's like Willie Nelson. Tough and rough. And still going.
I might have to swap with you and shoot that girl off.
Had to pause it a minute and give her hand on it. It's well packed. A little cleaning up, and it'll do just fine. We appreciate that. Mopars, Mustangs, and minivans. And Corrine, we appreciate that very much. Now, on to the rest of the video. Now I spent a couple hours today actually taking this all back apart, pausing the crank. All of them was right, but one, and that was number 8 piston. It was turned the wrong way. I'll get you over here and see. If you see, the arrows pointing toward the rear of the motor. So yeah, it was turned the wrong way. Barrow seen that in the last picture, and then Ollie told me to go back and check, and that's what I did, and that's what I think. Now, here's my dilemma. It's still locked up when you tighten them up. I don't even have the number 5 cylinder even tight, if you can look and see, and it froze up. So the crank will definitely have to be turned. I'm so mad at this thing. I'm about ready to pick it up and sling it through the windshield. I've been on this thing for a solid week and a half and hadn't gotten nowhere. Keep on watching the video, it gets very interesting. We got our stickers from Hammer Wrench Renovations, and they will be going on the car that we bring to No Name Nationals, and it doesn't look like it's going to be the Thunderbird. But keep watching, it gets very interesting. You ever get mad at a car so bad that you just soon not to even look at it no more? Well, keep watching, it's going to get very interesting. I'd like to give a big shout out to Cowboy Car Crushing. I've been watching his channel since he started. And I reached out to him today to see if I could borrow some of his clips. Do y'all see where I'm going now? Keep watching, it gets very interesting.
Whoa, you gotta quit moving the crusher. You gotta quit moving the crusher, cowboy. I'll pull it back out. Put a chain on it, pull it back out. Yeah, I gotta get that crusher pulled back. Yeah, that interior totally had people tripping out. Yeah, I've seen it a bunch.
So if you made it this far in the video, so now you know about where I'm at. So, do we buy another motor just to get a crankshaft? Because we already got our heads, our intake, our carburetor, plug wire, distributor, you name it, we already got that. Used motors in our neck of the woods is $800. Now you're going to say to yourself, well, it's painted, it's probably going to be a good motor, or it's been rebuilt. Well, if I was to go spend $800 on that, I'd probably wind up in the same boat I am now. And you look over here, that's $6,000. If you go up here, that's $1,000. There's one, $299. And it looks like it's in worse shape than the 69 we took apart. This is what we had to deal with motors, because there's so many people right here, including myself, has crushed so much. And this right here, I'd love to give $850 for this setup. But that's not the right price on it. That's a false advertisement. So is this motor right here. You can't go by that either. That's false. But you understand where I'm coming from? So what do we do? Keep on watching the videos. Where there's a wheel, there's a way. And where there's a wheel, there's a way to get to Thaxton with a car. It might not be the Thunderbird. It might be something else. It might even be a Chevrolet. Who knows? We'll get there. Keep watching.